Hey, welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get dark theme applied throughout all of Microsoft Word and Excel. That includes the Excel worksheet, the top ribbon banner, like everything. So I got this new laptop, and right out of the box, Microsoft wanted to blind me with how bright it is. So let's dive into how to get dark theme applied. So there's two parts to doing this. One is the actual Office theme in the top ribbon banner in all your Office applications, and one is the actual space we're working in here. And Microsoft, in their infinite wisdom, thought it was great to put them in two completely different spots to get this done. So we'll start with the ribbon first in the Office theme, and we'll do this in Microsoft Word. But if you do it in Excel, it's the exact same steps. And this setting you apply, if it's done in Word, should apply to all the rest of your Office apps. If not, you can just do the exact same steps again. So we're going to hit File, go down to Account on the bottom, and then here, Office theme, we're going to change it to black or dark gray, whatever works for you. I'm going to choose system setting because my system, like my Windows 11 setting, is set to dark theme. So it's going to pull that in and apply it to Office. So if you look around, everything around is pretty much dark now, and it applied the same settings in Excel. Okay, so how do we get our Word document dark now? You go to View at the top, switch modes, done. In Excel, go to View, switch modes, and done. Here's the thing that's pretty cool. If you were to type out anything here, you don't have to change the text color from black to white to see it. And the same with Word. I didn't have to do anything. And if you're going to send your Excel or Word document and they have regular view on like this, you'll notice that the color inverts. So in dark theme, it's going to put it in white text so you can read it. But when you switch this, it'll switch it to black. So you don't have to change the color scheme on your Word or Excel document when you're sending it to someone else if they're not using the same thing. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, be sure to check out my social links and website link in the video description. Hit the like button, it does help. Subscribe, it literally helps my channel grow. And thanks for watching.